So Asus is going to launch its new gaming phone on the 5th of July, and to no surprise, it will be called the Asus ROG Phone 6. While the company has not revealed if there are other phones under this series, we expect that there are more phones. Just like last year, where we not only had the ROG Phone 5, but also the ROG Phone 5 Pro and ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. Asus has already shared some features of the phone like the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, a 165Hz AMOLED panel, and an improved cooling system. Moreover, recently the phone was certified by Chinese certification agency named TENAA, which revealed some more specifications of it. But what we did not get to see was the design of the ROG Phone 6. Well, now the listing on TENAA has been updated that now includes a couple of images of the Asus ROG Phone 6. So in this video, let us talk about this upcoming gaming phone by the company. As you can see, the back of Asus ROG Phone 6 looks quite different this year than the last year's ROG Phone 5 series. The camera module gets a new shape, and if you don't know, this is not the first time we are looking at the ROG Phone 6 design. In fact, the company itself revealed the design when the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC was launched. So Asus sent out a prototype device with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 to tech YouTubers, and that was in fact the Asus ROG Phone 6 prototype. That is the reason why the camera module design is the same on that prototype device. Apart from the camera module, there are other design elements on the back that make it look unique, like all those lines and texts. There is also what looks like a secondary display on the rear, just like the ROG Phone 5 Pro and ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. But it is not yet known whether it is a color display like the ROG Phone 5 Pro or a monochrome panel like the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. There is the number 6 printed on the back and also the Tencent Games branding. It is worth mentioning that this Tencent Games branding is only for some specific markets like China. And finally, one thing that we are not sure about is that black strip on the left side. It could be an RGB strip because that prototype ROG Phone 6 had the same. And well, that is pretty much it. Apart from the back design, the rest of the phone is the same as last year. So there is no hole punch cut out on the front, so the selfie camera is placed in the top bezel. The phone also retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, so that is a good thing. Speaking of the specifications, the Asus ROG Phone 6 has a 6.78-inch 165Hz AMOLED panel, an in-display fingerprint scanner, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, up to 18GB of RAM, a 6000 mAh battery, 65W fast charging, a 64MP primary camera, and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. The phone weighs around 239 grams and is 10.39mm thick. So what do you think of the Asus ROG Phone 6? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.